Welcome back to Medical Videopedia. Top 6 cooking oils that are bad for your health. When cooking oils are heated, particularly at high heat, they eventually reach their smoke point. This is the temperature at which the oil is no longer stable and begins to break down. When oil breaks down, it begins to oxidize and release free radicals. These compounds can have negative health consequences, potentially causing cellular damage that may lead to disease development. Furthermore, oils that reach their smoke points release a substance called acrolein, which can create an unpleasant burnt flavor. Acrolein may be dangerous to your lungs. Number 1, corn oil. Corn oil is full of polyunsaturated fatty acids like omega-6 and causes inflammation and liver damage. Corn oil in particular is what caused the imbalance in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. This oil is relatively cheap and has a high burning point. This makes corn oil a popular choice for frying foods. Corn oil contains 57% of the omega-6 fatty acids and 29% of the omega-3 fatty acids, with the saturated fats and omega-9 doing the rest. Number 2, soy oil. Soybean oil puts you at risk for heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. Soybean oil is another cooking oil that you may want to limit. Like many vegetable oils, soybean oil is highly refined. This means that it goes through an extensive process that involves a lot of chemicals to extract it from the corn and turn it into an oil. This production process makes soybean oil more susceptible to oxidation, and when we have too many oxidized compounds in our bodies, we put ourselves at risk for various diseases. Number 3, sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is unhealthy because it also contains high levels of omega-6 fatty acids. These fatty acids can cause inflammation in the body, which can lead to health problems such as heart disease and cancer. Another reason sunflower oil is unhealthy is that it produces higher levels of aldehydes compared to other vegetable cooking oils when exposed to heat. Aldehydes are actually toxic substances that can make a person susceptible to various health risks. Number 4, coconut oil. Coconut oil can increase the levels of bad cholesterol. Coconut oil is abundant in medium-chain fatty acids, which are difficult for the body to convert into stored fat. Coconut oil can increase levels of bad LDL cholesterol, which is bad for your heart. Number 5, palm oil. Palm oil contains roughly equal amounts of saturated and unsaturated fats. There are also ethical issues with the situation, the ingredients linked to rainforest destruction. Number 6, other mixed and pure vegetable oils. Sugar and refined vegetable oils are the real cause of heart disease. This damages the arterial wall, leading to injury, which causes layers of plaques to form in the body to repair the damage. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please share this video with your friends and family or anyone else you feel like will benefit from this video. If you want to support our work, please consider donating to our Patreon, PayPal, or Venmo. Links are below in the description. Thanks for watching.